Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Apple TV application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Microsoft Store on your device. Make sure to log in to your Microsoft Store account. Now, at the address bar here, type in Apple TV and click on Enter. Now you can see the icon here. Click on it and click on Install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now when the download is completed, click on Open to use Apple TV application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.